life, good person. Good life, good person, good person, good life. Live and alive, I'm here. My location now is in Mental, Davao City. I would just like again to share to you my day in Davao City. Welcome my mabuhayers, my kamabuhay. I am I am really amazed with this really good service of the hospital of the Holy Spirit here. Holy Spirit Hospital, 24 hours hospital, of course, emergency. When you have laboratory, it will be done only in a few minutes. Yeah, few minutes, and you are done. They will print your result, and no stress because it is a quick delivery of results to you. So I cannot believe that here in Davao, the services are very fast and accommodating. You can get it quickly. Laboratory results really very fast here in Holy Spirit Hospital in Mental, Davao. So I'm very proud to share to you this medical facility. You are living nearby Mental, Quinyo, Catalunan. For those who would like to monitor your wellness, it's not we Filipinos. We are really having that culture that we don't have experience pain in our body. Will not have laboratory, but I would like to invite everyone that it's really a panawagan call to everyone for wellness, especially those who are already aging, and even the teenagers and the young ones. You should have your laboratory now and then, even though you're not sick or there is no pain that is being with you inside and outside. Those living nearby Catalunan, Mental, you can avail the Holy Spirit. Please be kind. So this is the location, Mental, Davao, just near the 7-Eleven and Mercury. You can just walk. 7-Eleven, Cebuana there, and Mercury. Okay, this is the location of Holy Spirit Mental. So come now to 24 hours. They have also the doctors. They're expert doctor here, so please avail their services. Quick services. Operation Tulik. So this is the number. Gonna inquire inside. For those who would like to have their circumcision, the Holy Spirit hospital is available. It's the emergency room, and we have the security guard. So really, I love my life in Davao with effective